In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic pages in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to log into your Hubspot, and in order to this case, just click on Content and click on Website Pages. You just need to open the page or website page that you want to actually create with. So onto this case, let's head over and create a website page. Click on this button and it will redirect you right here onto the Page Creation tab. You can choose with a blank page, About Page, Home Page, and the likes. You can also just choose a template for this, and you can just choose as well a template that supports dynamic content or personalization. So just choose which one you want added. So in our case, let's choose right here this landing page and click on Use. Once you've done that, this will open right here this page into the actual editor. For this, you can just add modules. Click onto this plus icon in order to add modules. And then you can click onto the search bar and proceed to search for Smart if it's available. If not, you can just choose the modules that you can add right here, as well as personalization tokens. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more HubSpot guides, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.